As we set our eyes on the Chinese, who had ramped up their presence across the border.
बड़ा हो जाए यार, थोड़ी सी देर और खेलने देना चाहिए।
सही में यार।
देखो पटेल साहब क्या होता है, मैं आपको बर्फबारी का आपको बताऊंगा। जैसे ये जो सबसे पहले पड़ता है।
When was the last time you did something for the first time? On the 31st of December, we experienced snowfall for the first time in our lives. It was simply magical. And we welcome the new year with bonfire and cake.
At the height of 15,000 feet, with the sharp sun and the biting cold hitting the soldier at the same time, the soldier truly lives a life on the edge.
There are two types of soldiers, the good and the dead. The dead don't return, but their sacrifices are etched in stone and would continue to tell their stories.
Sikkim's Rural Development Department has played a pioneering role in spearheading poverty alleviation through convergence of various schemes and their funds, as observed in their housing and Dhara Vikas initiative.
We took a cruise along the mighty Brahmaputra and had our first lessons on urban management.
And not just that, we also had our lessons on PSU revival, the Assam Tea Corporation, a PSU blessed with nature's bounty. The tea gardens are a home to people live and abide.
Then we visit Yangkulin, the old Naga village in Manipur, which is a treasure trove of anthropological knowledge, the tribal dormitories or morungs to rice beer, tribal art, tribal spirits, and the tribal councils of administration.
At Cable Lamjau, the world's only floating national park and the home to the endangered Sangai deer, we have our attachment of the national park.
We fly to Andamans via Kolkata.
At Andamans, the cellular jail stood mute witness to the tortures meted out to the freedom fighters, making us ponder as to whether we are realizing the objectives for which they laid down their precious lives. The beaches of Andamans is where we decided that we no longer wanted to be adults.
Our next destination, South India. At Cooptex, Coimbatore.
This is something which this society always laments. They wanted to give it to Mother Teresa personally, but unfortunately she attained.
NGO Scope, making biodegradable toilets.
टेस्ट कैसा है?
एक सीधी सी बात है, आपका जो समाज है उसमें दो कॉम्प्लेक्स है। एक है सुपेरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स, दूसरा है इन्फेरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स। आनंद वन में तीसरा कॉम्प्लेक्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्वालिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स। When you treat someone as your equal, no, he is always happy. आप उसे inferior समझोगे, वो happiness उसे नहीं मिलेगी. इसलिए वो यहाँ है. वो यहाँ काम करते हैं. They are living here in self-respect, self-dignity, which is the most important thing. भीख मांग के नहीं.
For the Thai who was left behind by her own blood, here was Anandvan to welcome her with love, to give her a life of dignity and of hope.
She was just telling that once her sari just went off, and since there were patches, and one of the family members had to pull it down, so the family members started abusing her. That way.
The journey was a humbling experience in terms of making us realize the enormity of tasks that lay ahead of us. Bharat Darshan has changed us, one and all. For between a hello and a goodbye is the newfound friendship, a newfound hope of a better India.